Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on this eye look, which was achieved using the Huda Beauty Electric palette and the Morphe 350M palette. So let's get into this video. So I use concealer to prime my lids, and I'm going in with the Morphe 350M palette. And I'm just going to use that color just to do like a transition, and then I'm going to take this color right here, which is the third one in the third row, and I'm going to pump that into the corner of my crease and just blend it in slightly. This is kind of like a transitional color. I'm going to be saying that a lot in this video, but it kind of is like a transitional color. And then I'm going to kind of blend that a little bit more. There was like a weird glare coming from that side. Like, lighting is everything when you do makeup, so I had to put my hand there to block it. Then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty, and I'm going in with that reddish color, and this is super pigmented. So what I did was I put a little bit on one lid, put a little bit on the other lid, and then I went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, where I normally just do one eye at a time. I had to go back and forth because there's so much pigment in this palette. Like, it's little but tough. Like, that's what my husband calls me, little but tough. And that is exactly what this palette is. Like, it is little, but it has so much pigment. So then I took a clean brush because there was so much product from that one little dip, and I just kind of like blended it as much as I could with a clean brush. Then I went back in with that Morphe color that I used in the corner, and I went right over it just to kind of give it some more depth, and just to break it up so it wasn't all one color. Then I'm going back in with that Morphe palette with that first color, and I'm just going to use my finger to just pretty much highlight with it. It's not a shimmery color, but it's nice. Then I'm going in with that Huda, that blue color, and I'm spraying a little bit of setting powder, a setting spray on my finger just so I could pick up a little bit more of that shimmer, and I'm going in with that darker blue shimmer shade in the Huda palette, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And I am taking the turquoise kind of color, and I'm putting that on the inner corner of my lid just to kind of make it pop a little bit. I don't want it to look like I got punched in the eye. And then I'm going to take this liner, which is L'Oreal. It's a drugstore liner. I'm not a huge fan. And then my Arrow Endure mascara. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.